Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I am knowledgeable here and I will teach you guys of how to make a simple but really interactive interface with Python. Basically, we're gonna make another to-do list again, but this time we're gonna add more complicated items. So now, first of all, we want to make our list. Let me just switch this to the keyboard I have, which is the Swedish one. So to-do list is gonna be an empty list. Okay, that's gonna be our first thing to do. Now we need to define some functions here. So define add underscore task. This is gonna be the name for our function here that will add ourselves a task. So to-do.list, we will go ahead and grab our variable, see what we can do with that, and what we'll do is we'll append, which if you guys see, yep, there. Append, and then append the task. So the task that is given, we will append that to the to-do list, and that will be added there. Now print f, and then these squiggly brackets, for this. No, wait, there. No, this goes inside these. Why are you here? It gets kind of annoying. But f, for now we're gonna say task, and then we're gonna name the task inside there. Oh, wait, give that space. So now it's gonna say display what the task name is. So it's gonna take the name of the task and put it in there. Actually has been added to the list. No, actually to your list. There. So it doesn't sound actually, whatever. Now we're gonna make a new function which is gonna be view list. So you wanna see your list, right? So instead of displaying it constantly, you can choose when to see it and when to not. So if not, to do underscore list, print your to do list is empty. Misspelled. No, I didn't. Empty. So what this will do is it will check if the list is empty. So if you tried doing this, the function, if not to-do list, basically it sounds kind of broken English, but if the to-do list is not, like, there's nothing in the to-do list, there's nothing, to-do list doesn't, like, there's nothing. So if not, it's not, right? So else, if there is something, we'll go print, oh my god, print, and we will go ahead and add in your list to do. Then we'll display this here. So for one task and in enumerate, am I spelling this out? Enumerate there, and we're gonna enumerate the to-do list. Of course, by every single it has there. So then we're gonna print for every task there is. So we're gonna go. We're gonna take the number, what number the list is on, and we're gonna go I. So that number would be I, right? So I, and then we would go I. Then we go the task name. So this number and then the task name. So that's there. No, I'm having a problem here. Expression cannot be. Let's see here. Oh, okay. What? But I've done it right. What does this? Huh? What did? Expression cannot be assignment target. Huh? So I will just take this, and for this one, And what we're gonna do is, it says there may be an error here. So this is line on error on line 6 of main pi. The print statement is missing the actual task in this insert. Oh, this one's already been inserted. Well, what happened? Oh wait, I have to delete this line. What is it saying? Hold on. No, actually, let's check what the AI wants me to do. You know, this might be interesting. See how it can do human tasks. You know, retry this. Wait, you know what? For this. Wait, no. I have no idea what this is. This AI sucks. You know what it's doing? It's trying to fix it, but it's printing a new line instead of like taking away the line and fixing that. So we're gonna have to do a human fixing here, like help me for now. I know my own mistake, and I just noticed it literally now. See the wait, just give the indentation, but look. For now, this thing's given an error, right? Expression cannot be assigned terminate. Now, after some thinking, my brain clicked right now, and I am giving. Wait, oh my goodness, no, where'd my this go? So look, here I was giving another part which was called I. I was giving I, then the task. Now I can't use I if I don't add I here. Now look, if I add I here, this gets fixed, which is crazy. Now define remove the task. So to remove the task, we're gonna have to have an index, and if I is less than oh 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 it is equals to, is less than is equals to the index that is less than is equals to length of the to-do list. Then what we'll do is removed. Oh my goodness, why doesn't it just go ahead and do it for me? Is equals to to-do list dot pop, and then the index that we want, and then minus y. No, what am I doing? Minus I. There. No, what's going on? No, no, not I. That's not what you're supposed to use I for. And what do you want? This is remove task. There. Undefined name I. Function I unknown. That's actually crazy. Are you kidding me? Are you being serious right now? My brother. It's not allowed on line 6. How is it? Why is it going back to line 6? It's bullying my line 6. It doesn't like my line 6. Close the AI. We'll fix this on our own. Now, remove task, we cannot give the function name. So this is our variable removed task. Now this is an undefined name. The I is not defined. I don't know. Maybe I'm using the wrong one. If I okay, that somehow fixed it. I have no idea what the error was. Print, and then we'll do the same thing we did back there. Task, forgot the capital, and then we'll name the removed task that we took away. So removed task, to get the name there, has been removed from the list. Now here I'll go else print and print there invalid, please enter a valid number or make. No, there couldn't be anything else. Just enter a valid number. There we go. Whoa. While true. Now this is for the for the loop of the interface of our to-do list. So now we're just gonna go ahead and add everything we need that. So options, print, we're gonna just add a task. These are the questions, by the way. This is what the user is gonna be seeing. To view your list, print 3, remove a task. Actually no, never mind. Print 4, quit. Now some very simple statements. Anyone should really, be able to understand what I'm trying to say here. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to basically we're gonna make a function. No, we're gonna go ahead and go here, choice is equals to the input, enter your choice, and we're gonna prompt. Okay, inside the prompt we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if choice is equals to 1, task is equals to input, there, enter the task you want to add. Now this is again for the, as you guys can see, the add task. So this is gonna add a task, so we're gonna have to prompt the user, or like ask the user, add the task, and then we're gonna just play the function add task. So there we go, and there. Now elif, so else if choice is equals to 2, oops. So now what we're gonna do instead here is we're gonna just do view list. Oh my goodness, view list. That's the function we're gonna play right there. Now elif, since we have even more functions right now, choice is equals to 3. We're gonna first make them view our list so they can see which task they don't want, and then we're gonna go task underscore number, make a new variable, so right here, integer, input, and enter the task, enter the number for the task you want to remove. Now we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna go down to elif, and I did not finish this line, this isn't asking them. So what we're doing here is we're gonna remove task, then task underscore number. So we're gonna remove the task and the task underscore number. Now elif choice is equals to 4. This is our last actual thing that will do something, and this will say just goodbye, and then we're just gonna break. Else, oops, why am I going so down there? Else, now this is if none of these match up. This is gonna come down here, print invalid choice, please select a valid option. And then what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna copy this, since maybe they didn't understand what I meant, and I'm just gonna give them this again. Now let's hope that it works. And whoa, guess what? When did you get added? When did this get added? No. This was never added. This was never added. No, we don't want this here. Run this. Okay. Empty string is not allowed. Line number 5. To-do list append task. Where is my what does he want from me? I don't understand. I might have to think for this. I've given it in brackets. To-do list. Man, can I not like debug this? Why are you wrong? I don't understand. Why are you giving an error? You should not be giving an error. Print F. It's still going back and forward to my print. This. Oh my god. What does he want? What? Man, this thing does not like me at all. So, I have gone a lot of time. Actually, we'll debug this in the next lesson, so stay tuned for that. It's actually very cool. In the next lesson, I might actually add some more stuff to this if we can, because like right now I'm stumbling into problem. Now, of course, I don't want you guys to just sit here and watch me try to debug this, since you have been doing that for the past 3 minutes. See you guys. Meet you guys in lesson 44. See ya.